Hey guys, it's Kileigh Nichelle and I'm back today to do a voiceover of my old studio apartment. So this is the entry. That mirror in the corner is from IKEA. The lamp is from Marshall's. The clothing rack is from IKEA as well, and that chair is from Target, and that was like my inspiration corner. That speaker you see is from Amazon. That side table is from CB2. The futon is from DHP, I believe, and my bed spread is from Amazon. The bed's from Walmart, and the divider is a DIY, where the curtains are from IKEA, and so is that shoe rack. And that clothing rack is from Target. This is like my inspiration and art wall above my desk. I'll get back to my desk in a second. This is my kitchen. I have some inspiration and some art I created as well. That floor mat's from IKEA, desk is from IKEA, and that like side table is from Amazon. Trash can from IKEA as well. Body form is a gift. So my curtains in my bathroom is from IKEA, and then the mats on the floor from IKEA as well. I love IKEA. And the decor right there is from Target, and my tiles are DKNY. My candles are from IKEA, of course, and Marshall's. So basically this is just an overview of my whole studio apartment from a different angle. I absolutely love this space. It was definitely my style. I love the modern aesthetic of this whole studio apartment. I love studios, so this was like a perfect space for me, and it was perfect for my last year as an undergrad student. So I don't have a lot of this furniture anymore because I sold it, because I graduated obviously and I moved out, but I felt like a lot of people were asking me to give a tour of this space. So I had this recorded, so here you guys go. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.